Hi students, welcome to my channel Ace Placements. Today I am going to tell you how you can actually complement your job search through campus placements. I am sure all of you would be getting good opportunities through campus placements, but what is the other way? What is the backup plan? So that plan is your LinkedIn job search. I'm sure all of you understand the power of LinkedIn for getting a job. So let us see how it can complement the campus placements and how you can get a job through LinkedIn. So I would like to tell you four distinct advantages of using LinkedIn for job search. The first, it gives you a host of networking opportunities. So, LinkedIn gives you opportunities not only to network with people but also engage into meaningful discussions which can help you broaden your horizon as well as broaden your chances of getting a good job. The second is many companies are increasingly posting their job requirements in LinkedIn. So these requirements are many times not available in alternate ways or at least through campus placements. So you can use them, you can browse the requirements posted on LinkedIn and you can apply.
The third feature that you can use on LinkedIn is you can use LinkedIn to create your own personal brand. LinkedIn is perhaps the most easiest and the most available tool to create a professional brand for yourselves. You can create a LinkedIn profile where you can highlight your skills and experiences. And not only this, you can also write articles, post videos, and post your projects, which can help you gain visibility amongst the recruiters. And also, you can through LinkedIn, you can do a research about the company which you are being interviewed for, or whether it is, or if it is coming for campus placements, you can do a research. And this research through LinkedIn can be more broad as compared to research that you can go through their do through their website, because through LinkedIn you can also research what their employees feel about the company, what is the success stories of the company, what is the success stories of the employees of these companies, and so on. So a lot of research is what you can do on LinkedIn. So students, no doubt there are some advantages of campus placements over LinkedIn. I would accept that. And that advantages through campus placements, you can actually land up in a job without a professional networking. Or the other important thing is there is limited competition in a campus placement scenario. But if you look at it, there are other advantages that I just mentioned of LinkedIn. So the key lies in balancing both. So you should have both ways of finding a job through LinkedIn as well as through campus placements. How you can find a job through LinkedIn, that is what we will try to find out. And I'll tell you a few steps through which you can find a job on LinkedIn. The first is build a very strong LinkedIn profile. See, I'll tell you, even if you are appearing for campus placements, as a candidate, the interviewers they do see and go through your LinkedIn profile. So you should be having a very strong LinkedIn profile with all your skills and the achievements should be listed there. The second is that you can research about the recruiters. You can know the recruiters. Especially in a campus placement scenario, normally you would know who the recruiters are. So you can go through their LinkedIn and find out, most importantly, are there any commonalities that you have? For example, you and they may have gone to the same school or college, or maybe they would have sometimes written an article which was of interest to you, so you commented on that. So all these things matter, and all these things help you a lot in your job search. Even if you do not know the recruiter names when the company is coming for campus, you can uh, do a research of the LinkedIn profile of the founders, of the CEOs, and so on. That will help you immensely in your interview process. So students, in short, while campus placement give you an easy and focused way to get placed, LinkedIn helps you broaden the search, LinkedIn helps you broaden your horizon. So basically, the mantra lies in using both, in combining both for your job search. And I'm sure if you combine both, it will actually result in more opportunities for you. Hope today's video was something that was of use to you. And for more such videos and informations, like and subscribe to this channel.